Hi, welcome to our channel. Today we have a very special topic of artificial intelligence to discuss, so stay with the video and vote this up if you like it. Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and act like humans. It involves the development of algorithms and computer programs that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. In artificial intelligence, students learn about various aspects of machine learning, natural language processing, robotics, expert systems, and computer vision. They learn how to build intelligent systems that can learn from data, make predictions, and solve complex problems. AI has become increasingly important in today's world as it has the potential to revolutionize various industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, and manufacturing. It can help organizations automate repetitive tasks, improve decision-making, and enhance overall efficiency. Some of the primary and essential developments in the field of AI include deep learning, neural networks, natural language processing, robotics, and computer vision. These developments have led to significant advancements in areas such as speech recognition, image and video analysis, and autonomous vehicles. There are various careers available in the field of AI, including machine learning engineer, data scientist, AI researcher, robotics engineer, and natural language processing expert. These careers require skills such as programming, statistics, data analysis, and machine learning. In conclusion, AI has become an essential technology in today's world, and it has the potential to transform the way we live and work. While there are still some concerns about the impact of AI on employment and privacy, the benefits of this technology far outweigh the drawbacks. With the continued development of AI, we can expect to see even more exciting advancements in the years to come. Thank you to stay with us till the end of the video. I hope you understand AI better now. Keep growing and keep learning. Also share the video with your friends and colleagues, and support us by subscribing to the channel. I meet you soon with a new video. Until then, bye.